Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair, known as the Crackman, and I'm here with Brendan Kilcoyne, VP of H&K Insurance, the expert on master insurance policies for condominiums. Um, we had mentioned that there's three things that are very important to look at. And the first one is deductibles on the master insurance policy. Could you give us some insight on that, please?
Sure, thanks, Rich. So the deductible is a term that's used in insurance. It's the beginning part of the claim that the insurance company will not pay for. So if you have a $10,000 claim and a $5,000 deductible, the insurance company is only going to pay you $5,000. So you're essentially self-insuring the rest of that $5,000. So it's really important for the property managers as well as the unit owners to know what they're on the hook for come a claim. We've seen deductibles as high as $50,000 and $100,000. And if people aren't aware that they have that kind of burden to bear in a claim, it is pretty striking when it does actually happen.
I imagine it's probably a good thing for the condominium unit owners to also kind of look at these master policies.
Yeah, keeping clear lines of communication and making sure that information is being transferred and being shared is really important, because you can really get the unit owner in a bind if they don't know what they're self-insuring or if they haven't purchased the insurance on their own to cover those deductibles or other coverage gaps that may be there.
And I imagine there's some premiums that can go up or down based upon the amount of deductible that you have.
Absolutely, and we see a lot of times, especially recently, that associations are increasing their deductibles, and they're doing that for two reasons. One is to save premium, and the second reason is to kick some of those smaller claims to the unit owner level so that the association's master policy doesn't pay for smaller claims. It's really key in those situations that communication to the unit owners that are not in those board meetings with the trustees know what they have to insure themselves or what they're responsible to self-insure for themselves if that's what they choose to do.
Brendan, thanks again for that informative information in reference to deductibles in master insurance policies.